Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishan Mong here, and check this out. The Andaseat Kaiser 3 XL Black Edition, the gaming chair that I'm sitting in. Alright, so let me give you a quick closer look at the chair and talk about its features and talk about how comfortable it is. Man, that's heavy, right? Okay, let's lay it down for the unboxing. Our unboxing experience starts here. Do not touch backrest recliner lever while removing from box and until backrest is Andaseat installed. Okay, nice. As a 3 series PU foam armrest. Hold on, check this out. PU foam arm. Oh man, this is nice and soft. Look at that. Oh, this one is not heavy. I was expecting it to be very heavy. The place where our bum will take a rest. And this one is heavy. Come on, just put them back in the box. Remove this. Check this out. This is that, you know, the mechanism that will hold the chair on. The size of the box, Irish can fit inside. Come on, lie down inside. Oh, actually, both of my kids can fit inside. Look at that. We can ship you to another country, Irish. Woo, look, I got a baby boy. Man, I simply love it. Okay. So in the accessories seat, okay, nice. It seems like there are very few components here. And we have Kaiser 3. I believe this should be pronounced as Kaiser. User manual, wheels, and other accessories. Yeah, don't forget this little star right here. And these are magnetic as well. Nice. Very few tools. And the hydraulic. Look at it. I love it, man. It has all the pictorial demonstration of how to assemble your seat. So the first step of assembling the Kaiser 3 seat is to install the wheels. Ooh, look at that. How fluid it is. Next step is to install the piston. Here's the piston and here's the piston cap. The next step is unscrew the backrest. Goodie. Oh, they fit nice. Magnetic. If the screw, remove it. Yeah. Whew. I believe, given the texture on it, the safety cap will go here. Is for that screw we just removed. And look at that, seamless, nice fit this way. And they should just fit. foam armrest. And voila, we have the Andaseat Kaiser 3. Here we go. Let's just relax my right here. Oh. Ah, man. This is nice and comfortable, mashallah. These two go up and down, adjustable. Then we have this to move it left and right. Look at that. Okay, I need them out. And then we have this to make them go forward and backward. So I was wondering that when we sit, naturally our arms are in this position, not this way. And I was thinking that maybe this one doesn't have that adjustment. It has left and right, you know, and forward and backward, up and down. Don't worry, it does have this. When you use these buttons to move it forward and backward, you can use the same buttons to turn them around. So you see, this comes to a very natural stance for you to sit in this chair. So there's a lot of adjustability when it comes to armrest right here. Ooh, lots of adjustments here, man. Nice. See? Piston up. Oh, this is high for me. And I can pull it down. Yeah, nice. Pull.
Down.
Up. Oh, even Arish's weight works on it. Sweet. Lumbar curvature. Lumbar curvature. Oh, okay. So let me see. Hold on. Irish, move. Move your head. Something will be coming up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a lumbar curvature. It's going in and out. So both sides we have this that we can adjust.
This is nice.
Man, this is a nice seat. Let's bring it to my room so that I can start working and start using the Kaiser 3. Now, if you're a gamer and you sit all day long gaming, you definitely are going to appreciate a gaming chair just like this. Look at this. The smell of nice leather. It's really very nicely built. Very fluid movements, fluid and quiet. So you can recline this one all the way and even sleep when your character is not doing anything. There's a spring so that seat tilts backward. You can lock this tilt using this lever, and also you can increase and decrease the height using this one. So put it up. This is the maximum height, and then when you sit on it, pull it, and you can adjust as much as you want according to your legs. Let's check this out. The magnetic pillow. All right, no straps needed. And then we have lumbar support curvature. So you can basically adjust at both sides, left and right. You can use these to adjust your lumbar curvature. Nice. This is Andaseat Kaiser 3 XL Black Edition gaming chair, and it's going to go in my room, and my old gaming chair is going to retire today. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.